From iconic palaces to soulful escapes, here's your quick guide to choosing the right stay the IHCL way. When you're craving timeless luxury and legendary service, Taj Hotels and Palaces is the answer. If it's uniqueness you're looking for, every selection's property has its own story and unique experience. But when you need to blend business with pleasure, Vivanta brings you chic city stays with a contemporary vibe. On the other hand, if you want an effortless, efficient, yet luxurious stay, Ginger's lean luxury makes for an excellent choice. Some journeys are about familiar warmth and classic comfort. On such trips, Gateway is the way to go. Ama Stays and Trails' scenic homes and villas are perfect when you want your vacation to be about nature, charm, and homely comfort. For wellness vacations, you need Tree of Life retreats where you can pause, recharge, and reconnect with yourself. When it comes to those seeking heritage charm with contemporary capabilities, the Claridges is luxury that lasts. And if your heart is looking for a once-in-a-lifetime adventure, nothing compares to Taj Safaris. No matter why, where, or how you're traveling, IHCL always has the perfect stay waiting for you.